Yes, Amit, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So good evening. So the first question from my side is tell me about yourself, Amit.
Okay. My name is Amit Prasad, and I'm from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. And currently, I'm studying in intermediate from Central Crimea Plus 2 High School. And I have passed my matriculation from BSCB board. And I am a free-minded boy, and I like to do whatever I want. And I always want to learn new things. That is always enjoying me. So that's all, sir.
Okay.
Great,
Good
Amit.
evening, Amit.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Next question is, tell me about your dream job. Why
Okay.
only that?
Okay. So my dream job is to become an army officer because I think that it is a adventurous and respectable job, and the life of army officers is full of challenges. And whenever I see army officers in uniforms, medals, and stars, I am feeling very proud to see that, and I always feel with joy whenever I see army personals.
Okay, Amit.
Good evening, Amit. So my question is, how MMDC partners help you out in the process?
Yes. So in MMDC club, all the members are very helpful, and all the members are very helpful, and all the members are encouraging me to complete my assignments on regular basis. And if I'm doing any good work, then I members are also appreciating me that I like most. So thank you so much.
So Amit, then
Yes,
okay,
sir.
Saurav.
Yeah. Good
So,
evening, Amit. Amit, what are you passionate about?
Yes, sir.
What are you passionate about?
Means
What
I
is your
don't
passion?
understand the.
What is your passion?
Yeah.
Okay, my passion. So my passion is to become a rich person, and I always trying to go to KBC for winning so many cash prizes. So that is my passion, sir.
That's good. That's good.
So
So
anybody else who
Amit,
wants to ask a question apart from these people who have already asked? I think Kusum has raised her hand. Kusum.
So, hello, Amit. I wanted to ask you that as you said, you like to do whatever you want. So, is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
like if your parents say anything and if you don't like, you will not do?
No, ma'am. I don't want to say like this. Um, but I my mind is if my mind is doing saying that you have to do this, so I hear about mind.
So, you then don't hear to your parents
No, ma'am. I didn't say like this that I don't hear to my parents.
because parents are always right.
Yes, ma'am.
They
Yes,
will
ma'am.
they will also give you a right suggestion.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anybody
Do
else?
you,
Yes.
do you think, Amit, do you think that being an army officer,
Yes, sir.
uh, you can become a richest person in your life?
No, no.
And
Uh,
you
army.
have told that your passion is for making money and become
Yes, yes,
rich.
yes, yes,
And
yes.
very good passion. Yeah, the passion is also uh, for everyone, whether they can tell it or not, or speak it or not, expose it or not. Everyone want to get money. Everyone want to get rich. And you have told that you want to become an army officer also.
Yes, sir.
And what is the connection between a army officer and a very richest person, do you think? And how it is possible?
Yes, sir. It is not possible in the same time, but I try. I have said that I will try to go in KBC. In KBC, I win lots of money.
It is a gambling. KBC it's just like a gambling type, and it is not actually becoming rich by on your own effort. If you think that the KBC by answering the question, you will get money and you will become rich. And how much? It is on 2 or 3 crore maximum. But if you want to 300 crore, 500 crore, and that is actually rich, and it is not possible either by KBC or by an army officer. I think. Then what is your your planning in your passion to fulfill your passion? Can
Mm, yes, sir.
you have only dream, okay? You have only dream that your passion and dream is you want to become a very richest person,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But becoming a army officer, you can't expect that you can be a richest person in your life, okay? Because nobody can become rich. Anyone in this world cannot become rich by doing job, except the Google CEO. What is name I don't know, or Indian, I don't know how much money he have earned.
Sundar
But
Pichai.
yes sir, yes sir.
Sundar Pichai, Google.
Yeah, yes, Google's Sundar Pichai. But how much? Only one or two people in the world who can make much money by only service. But no, we doing a service. Nobody can become a rich person is very good. But for that reason, there is to a roadmap also. Thank you very much, Amit, for your passion. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
I think we'll have to move to the other person for the interview. Amit, it was a good job. It was a good attempt at your end, and we're really happy to see you confident and speaking so fluently. Thank you so much, Amit. It's time now for Sneha to come up the stage. Sneha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, Sneha. Sneha is ready. Jagannath, the first question comes from you.
So as usual, the first question from my side was Sneha also will be, tell me about yourself, Sneha.
Yeah. First of all, good evening, everyone. I'm Sneha Kumari. I'm from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, and I'm currently studying in NTTF, and my course is Mechatronics Engineering, and I'm in second year of my course. Yeah, and okay, so then.
Okay, Sneha.
Okay, Sneha, good evening.
Good
Your
evening,
next question. What motivated you to join MMDC?
Yeah, no, I was a member. First of all, I was a member of one of our college group, but I want to be a leader of that group. But my problem was I can't speak in front of a group of people. That's because I was lagging behind. That's why I had joined this group club to increase my confidence and communicate in English.
Okay, Sneha.
Yeah,
Okay, bye.
So my third question is, which week of MMDC process is more interesting and why?
yeah. The interview week is more interesting because here we feel very much confident and very excited for our interview because how many people ask to question and what happened in this in those day in interview week.
Yes, Zeba.
Sir, I'm done with the question. I think Saurav is left.
Yeah. Good evening, Sneha.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. What are your future plans? Can you share? What are your
Yes,
planning for future?
yes, sir. My planning for future is I want to be a good engineer, where I can design some unique machines and those thing what I want, and like auto control scooty is my dream designing manufacture things like that. I want to design that, and I want to manufacture that auto control scooty because many have a car and like Tesla is invented, but no one think that scooty is invented. Then I want to think that I design a auto control scooty.
Okay, that's great.
So,
The stage is now open for others to ask questions. The stage is now open for others, but simple questions, please. Don't complicate the
Yes, sir.
question. Let it be very, very simple. Yes, Harshit, go ahead.
Yes. Good evening, sir. And sir, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. So, Sneha, first of all, I wanted to say that we are all the part of the MMDC family. And when we have first joined this MMDC program, we are all confused that how will we going to speak fluent English. So, I want your subjective view, your genuine view regarding my question that have you followed the concept of Amit sir blindly, or you are preparing some grammars apart from this? And one more thing, Sneha, that your opinion will basically help us to enhance the MMDC program. So put your reason genuine.
Can you ask the question
Okay,
easily?
okay. Okay. I'm asking in a very easy manner. So I'm saying that have you followed the concept of Amit sir blindly that he has put forward to all of us, or are you preparing some grammars apart from this MMDC program?
Yeah. First of all, I'm something I'm followed Amit sir to sorry Amit sir give the some topics and some way to communicate how to speak in English and what way you communicate in English and how can you what your process to communicate in English that I uh, I want
Uh, no issue, Sneha. No issue. Okay.
sorry
Sir,
for
you can. Okay. No issue. Yes.
So Sizo had a question. Sizo wants to ask a question.
Yes. Mom, I want to ask one question. I think it is simple question for you. How do you handle stress and pressure?
How do you handle stress and pressure? Stress and
Pressure.
pressure को कैसे handle करते हो?
Okay.
First of all, I'm handling my stress like when I'm some stress for about anything, like I'm think positive and I'm think positive and behave like a normal girl. Like I'm thinking like I'm normal and I'm and what I say. Sir, can I mix it? Can I say this?
Yes, you can.
ओके सर वैसे जब हम स्ट्रेस में होते हैं उस वक्त हम खुद को शांत करने की कोशिश करते हैं उस बारे में सोचने का कम उस बारे में सोचने के कम सोचते हैं जिससे हम थोड़ा खुद को कंट्रोल कर पाए खुद पे कंट्रोल रख पाए और ये सोचते हैं कि इससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा बस थोड़ा खुद को कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना उस चीज़ के लिए कि जो हो रहा है वो ठीक हो जाएगा नॉर्मल रहेगा सब कुछ और जो प्रेशर होता है मान लीजिए आपको लाइक दैट एंड यू हैव एनी समथिंग प्रेशर जब कोई आपको कोई प्रेशर डालता है और आपको उस चीज़ के लिए आप एग्री नहीं करते लेकिन आप या फिर कोई वर्क करते हो एग्जाम्स का प्रेशर रहता है आपके ऊपर और आप उस वक्त भी स्ट्रेस पे आ जाते हो कि आप उस वक्त क्या करें क्या ना करें तो उस टाइम एक ही चीज़ होता है कि आप खुद पे कंट्रोल रखें और ये सोचे कि एग्जाम सेट हो जाएगा, बस उसको नॉर्मली आप जितना पढ़े, आप जितना जो भी किसी भी चीज़ का हो आपको टेंशन या प्रेशर, उसको आप किसी भी तरीके से आप उसको कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करिए, जिससे कि वो आपको जो प्रेशर हो वो आपको हैंडल ना करे, आप प्रेशर को हैंडल करें। ये इस तरीके से आप कर सकते हैं कुछ, या फिर समटाइम यू बिहेव लाइक अ नॉर्मल गाय, लाइक आपके अंदर बहुत सारी क्वेश्चंस होंगे, बट आपको सबको खुद को कंट्रोल करके आपको खुद को नॉर्मल बिहेव करना है, लाइक दैट।
Okay.
आपको हिंदी
Any final questions, people? Any final questions? Last question.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Sneha, if you are given the opportunity to visit in a seaside or in a hilly side, in which side you will prefer and why?
Hilly side or seaside? What will you prefer for a holiday? And why?
hillside, because hill is more beautiful, like that sea, because hill is more interesting way, more interesting things, because like some trees and mountains and waterfalls like that, and some confusing roads, and with your friends you traveling with your friends in hillside is like an awesome thing, and you enjoy very much. And that all, and sea is like only for when you someone have some issue with sea's water, like they have some, yeah, like that.
Okay, you prefer hilly side, and because hilly the sightseeing and everything in hillside is very beautiful to you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so I think we should call it a day for everybody. Amit Prasad and Sneha, I was very happy with the way you both were speaking. Sneha, I was expecting a little bit more. Sneha, any issues that you are facing? Was the MDC triangle not followed properly? What is your say on that? Because you are still mixing Hindi in your, so what is the reason? I'm just asking. I'm not against it, but any specific reasons? Kusum, what is your opinion? Kusum, are you there?
Yes, sir. Opinion on what, sir?
Opinion on Sneha's performance? Anything you want to say?
So she was doing great, but at last I don't know what happened to her. She mixed.
Sorry, sir, disconnect हो गए थे.
It's okay.
She
It's
would
perfectly.
have tried in English only. Either it's going wrong or right, but she would have continued because she was doing
That
very
fear,
well.
yeah, the fear is always there. So, ठीक है, no issues. I'm not disheartened, but yes, I wanted more. But anyways, so Kusum, can you just do a vote of thanks and then we'll say goodnight to each other. And then after the vote of thanks, I want both of you, or all of you, to actually go to Facebook and say congratulations to both of our, interviewees who have actually done it in a great way. Both of them have done it a great way. I wanted the answer of Sneha in English, but fine, it's okay. The thing is, we should not always stick to English. आपने कितनी बार देखा होगा ना, I'm just talking about my particular instance. So many times I keep on mixing my English with Hindi. Sometimes ना कुछ चीजों को ना जो हिंदी में आप बोल पाओगे ना, वो इंग्लिश में कभी भी नहीं बोल पाओगे. वो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, वो जस्टिस ही नहीं कर पाओगे. So sometimes English is basically a skill. English is not a mandatory thing. English is voluntary. You have to use English as a skill. This is a skill that you can use. It is not a hard and fast thing कि इसमें ही बोलना है, मतलब इसमें ही बोलना है. Some things are best expressed in Hindi. You have to use Hindi over there. Some things are best expressed in Bengali. You have to use Bengali over there. So you have to ensure, you have to find out, depending upon the audience, कि audience को किस भाषा में समझ में आता है, किस भाषा में आप connect कर पाओगे अपने audience के साथ में. That is very, very important. So I don't mind that you have mixed your English with Hindi, but yes, I would have appreciated कि वो 85-90% पे आप इंग्लिश को रखते और बाकी हिंदी को लेके आते, I would have loved it. Anyways, Kusum, vote of thanks for the day, and then we'll all say good night to each other. Kusum, 1 minute for you, Kusum.
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. On behalf of our MMDC family, I, Kusum, give you all a vote of thanks, and I extend a really heartily vote of thanks to everyone over here who spared the time from their busiest schedule to grace this occasion. And today we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, as everyone said, about how what they mean about old is gold, and the interviews we had here. This will surely be going to encourage us in our future events and in our future goals also. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and have shown us a new path. My gratitude to all the speakers for gracing the occasion and sharing their opinions today. So thank you everyone for giving your precious time over here, and want you all to come every day and have fun like this only. Thank you.
Great one, Kusum.
Great.
Actually, Kalyan also agrees. Kusum, you are doing a rocking job. Everybody, now it's time we go to Facebook, and the post is live now. You can go and like, share, and all those things that you want to do. I'll be also putting that as a status on my WhatsApp for all my beautiful and all my, intelligent and communicative, fluent speakers. I'll be putting that on status, and approximately 500 students across India will be seeing your pictures on my WhatsApp status, and on Facebook it will be 10,000 students who will be actually watching you perform, excel in your life. So our goal is that you become excellent communicators, million-dollar communicators, even better. Keep on polishing what you already have got, keep on helping others, and that will help you. Shreya, I want you to ensure that Sneha becomes a team leader very, very soon, because that will give her a different experience altogether, and that will ensure that she becomes even better in her speaking, because Amit Prasad is already a team leader, I guess. Now it's time that we make Sneha a team leader. I don't know whether she's right now, but replace Yamshi with Sneha. I want that to happen. Shreya and Zeba, just ensure that this happens. Lalit, please ensure that happens as soon as possible. Good night, everybody. Go to your Facebook group and go and congratulate them on their hard-won, earned success. Okay. Thank you so much. Good night. Take care. See you all tomorrow at the same time. Same place. Good night, ma'am. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Bye, sir.
Good night,
Good night,
sir.
sir.
Good night. Good night. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Good night.